Okay, we're going to show you how to do a one-point localization. So currently loaded in FieldGenius, I have a project that I've uploaded an ASCII file that has local coordinates. And for our demonstration here, we're going to localize to a point here, 202. And if we look at its coordinates, you're going to see they're definitely in a local system. Northing and easting are in roughly the 3000 range. Okay, now that we're already connected to a reference or base receiver here, so all we need to do is press the measure button. We're going to click local transformation to point. And the first thing we need to do is enter in the point that we're going to localize to, which is point 202. And as soon as I press enter, you'll see it's going to tell us what the, or display the coordinates for that point. And while we were doing this, the FieldGenius was averaging a position from the receiver, and this would be an autonomous position. And if you're happy with the position that's been computed, you can press set position. And when you do that, FieldGenius is going to tell you that it needs to store that point in the coordinate system that's been averaged. So if we hit continue, you're going to see here's a grid coordinate. In my case, it's a UTM coordinate that's been computed from the average autonomous position. I'll just put in a description here of base. And we'll store that. Now the receiver is being programmed. Now if we now receive a message that basically is telling us that it's safe to remove the data collector cable from the receiver. And when we press continue, you're going to see that the blue triangle that's currently displaying the position of the reference receiver is near point 202. Now if we go to the start menu and go into our settings and then GPS local transformation, you're going to see FieldGenius has computed transformation parameters for us. It's also computed a combined scale factor for us. And if we press the edit control button, you're going to see it's localized here to point 202. And if we hit edit control, you can see these are the coordinates, or the autonomous position that was computed. Now if I exit out here and go back to the map screen and do a zoom extents, you're going to see here point number 1 that we stored is in its UTM coordinate, while the ASCII file we imported is still in a local system. I can convert point number 1 into the local system if I need to by pressing this adjust points. And what this is going to do is it's going to all GPS points that we've stored. Now if we zoom in near point 202, can't actually see it, but point 1 would be right at the exact same location. Now we're ready to go.